In this video, I will show you how to search across multiple sheets in Google Sheets. First, open your file in Google Sheets. Make sure your spreadsheet has multiple tabs or sheets, since we'll be searching across all of them. The easiest way to search across multiple sheets is by using the Find feature. Press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, then type the word or value you want to search for. By default, this will search within the current sheet. To expand your search, click the three dots in the Find box to open more options. Now, look for the option that allows you to search all sheets instead of just this sheet. Once selected, Google Sheets will scan every tab in your file and highlight matches wherever they appear. You can use the arrows in the Find box to jump between results, even if they are on different sheets. Google Sheets will automatically switch tabs as you navigate through matches. If you need more advanced searching, press Ctrl plus H to open Find and Replace. Here, you can search across all sheets and even replace values if needed. This is especially helpful when working with large spreadsheets that contain multiple tabs, saving you time from manually checking each one. So that's how to search across multiple sheets in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.